Welcome to today's video. Today I'll be teaching you how to on your hotspot, your VPN hotspot, your VPN data hotspot. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right to the video. So the first thing to do is to go to your Play Store and download every proxy. So once you're done, you open the app, you open the application.
This is what the application looks like. So you click on fix and then you click on notification. This enable. You click on enable. Accept show notifications. That's done. That's all. We go to battery, you optimize, then you click on it. You click on no restriction, and then that should be all. Go back to the application. So now you click on these three line dots. Click on all IP address. So it's gonna show you all your IP addresses. So don't worry about that. Just click close. So the next step now is to click on this pencil like icon here. Then you click on IP address. Now, here is the tricky part. You need to look at it very well and look for the IP address that has numbers. I say 172 10.153. So you can choose any of these. Don't choose 0.0. Also, leave the 8080. Don't touch it. The port number, leave it at 8080. So once you're done with that, go on to your settings and click on hotspot and on your hotspot. Then you come back here and click on activate. So it will bring your proxy details. That's what we fill in to your Wi-Fi connection. So the next thing to do now is to go to the other device, which is either a phone or a laptop. You go onto the same Wi-Fi settings and you import this proxy there when you connect to the hotspot. Yeah, so make sure you put in the details well and don't make any mistake. And also make sure to include the dots. Okay, dots are not commas. They are dots, not commas. Take note. And once you're done typing it in, don't forget the port number also. Port number is 8080. So after that, you continue by clicking save. So once you done, your VPN hotspot should be loading like this. That means it has connected. So here two things to note. We are using two devices or more than two. Or the first device you are using is the one you are installing every proxy and you are running on hotspot on that same device. But the other device is the one you are joining with your Wi-Fi. You get. So take care. If you love this video, kindly subscribe, like, and comment, as this will motivate me to create more helpful videos for you guys. Thanks and God bless you. Take care. Bye.